Have you ever launched an app only to be greeted by a flash of the default theme before your preferred settings kick in? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to display the correct app theme immediately in your Flutter app. I totally get it. Waiting for your app to load the right theme can feel like an eternity, especially when you want everything to look just right from the get-go. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same issue. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "How can I ensure that my Flutter app displays the correct theme settings immediately upon launch without showing the default theme first?" If this sounds familiar, let's dive into the solution together. So what's the issue here? The problem arises from the asynchronous nature of the Flutter Shared Preferences plugin. When the app starts, it may take a moment to load the saved theme settings, leading to that annoying flash of the default theme. But don't worry, we can fix this. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you manage themes in your Flutter app even more effectively. To ensure the correct theme is displayed immediately when the app launches, the user should first load the theme settings synchronously before the app starts. This can be done by using a Future Builder widget. Next, the user should create a method to fetch the theme from Shared Preferences. This method will return the theme data that will be used by the Future Builder. Now the user can implement the Future Builder in the main widget. This widget will wait for the theme data to load and then build the app with the correct theme. Finally, the user should ensure that the theme settings are saved correctly when the user changes them. This can be done by updating the shared preferences whenever the theme is changed. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile apps were just simple text-based programs? We've come a long way, but we still face some of the same challenges. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach, suggested by a user, involves using a stateful widget. This method allows you to update the root widget once the application configuration is complete. You start by displaying a loading widget, and then, after the configuration is done, you use setState to update the main widget. Here's that great tip I promised. Always test your theme loading logic thoroughly. This will ensure a smooth user experience and eliminate any flashes of the default theme. And there you have it. Your Flutter app should now display the correct theme immediately upon launch. Remember, a seamless user experience is key. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing Flutter performance.